gets a bad rap. But is it always bad? Leverage is an important financial tool and if used right can help you achieve your objectives faster. Many wealthy people have become wealthy by taking out a loan at some point of time. Let's take the example of Ambani and Tata. They didn't just become rich overnight. They used loans at some point to get where they are today. But here's what you need to know. Not all loans are safe. Let me explain. When you are borrowing money, think about the interest rate. Personal loans often come with high interest rate, sometimes reaching 24 to 30%. And on the other hand, loans secured against assets like a life insurance policy, gold, property or mutual fund investments typically offer lower interest. Around 9 to 12% since this loan use your assets as collateral. Now imagine you have a dream of starting your own business, going to college or buying a home, but you don't have enough money. That's where loan can be really helpful to get you head start. On the other hand, be wary of using personal loans to fulfill your dream of travel, buying new gadgets as you could end up in a debt trap. Let's talk about the typical good credit use cases, starting with a business loan. A loan for starting a business can give you the money you need to get things off the ground. It's like a kickstart for your dream job. Assuming your plans work out, the interest paid will be more than recovered through the revenue you will generate as your business grows. Then there are education loans. These are for when you need money to pay for your college. They can help you get the education you need to chase your dreams, whether it's becoming a doctor, an engineer or something else entirely. In most cases, your future earnings justify the loan taken to invest in yourself. And finally, there are home loans. These are for when you want to buy a house that don't have all the money upfront. With a home loan, you can pay for your house over time while still living in it and saving on rent costs. But here's the thing about loans. You have got to be smart about it. That means having a loan for how you will pay back the loan and making sure you're getting the best deal possible. So remember, loans can be a great tool to help you achieve your goals, especially secure loans.